Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Bakes Foods. We are at the Minot Food Truck Festival in Minot, North Dakota. I'm just going to show you some of the awesome food we had and some of the entertainment that we checked out. This dude was blowing fire, and yeah, it was a good time. We had to voice over the whole thing because our sound wasn't working, but
it's going to be good.
So the first stop we're going to make was St. Peter's Church Greek food. Ben's got to get his lamb gyros there, and Tuggus, of course. And then I tried some spinach puffs.
Oh yeah, it's so good.
And baklava, which I didn't realize was sweet, but it was good. Pretty good.
Pretty good, yeah.
A lot of people, I think there was something like 3,000, 4,000 people there throughout the day, and 22 food trucks between like drinks and ice cream. There was like 4 different barbecue, tacos, kettle corn.
Yeah, homemade kettle corn.
Pizza if you wanted it. They had music going all day. Some nice kind of local folk acts. And these guys were pretty awesome. The fire twirlers, I call them. Everybody seemed to come up for that part. And there's a whole section too that we're not even showing. That it's got all the bounce castles and stuff for the kids to do, face painting, shops, concessions, pretty much everything. It's a really big park and it's all spread out nicely. So here we're getting some Texas barbecue here at the Heart of Texas, Monty's Barbecue. We tried a pulled pork sandwich and a brisket sandwich here.
Got it loaded up with the pickles, the onions, the jalapenos. Also came with a bag of chips with each sandwich.
You gotta have the chips.
Gotta do it. Crunch factor.
Speaking of crunch factor, I want to take this time to apologize. We haven't been getting our weekly videos out. I just had Achilles tendon repair surgery and have been slowly recovering, getting back to normal. But if anything good came out of it, so I got to ride these hills. It's actually scarier than it looked. Pat was happy. So next up is the Backdraft Barbecue. So they're trying some loaded brisket fries.
Oh man, let me tell you, that meat was so tender. Everything just melted together. You get all the brisket fat all over the fries. Oh, match made in heaven. I also have some sharp cheddar cheese on there too.
Let's look at that color in that.
Oh.
Yeah, that was good. I tried the brisket a little bit, and definitely tender, good flavor. You can tell. I gotta have the kettle corn and the what are these almonds? They're like sweet.
Oh, those are
roasted,
candy roasted cashews.
And of course, we had to try some Thai food. Whether I think this might have been the only Thai truck. Oh, you know what we gotta do? We gotta do bad lip reading. All right, I'll be Pat. I like food.
Yeah, I mean, you know, it's not that bad.
Yeah, we tried. Little Blue Elephant. This is a great place. They've got a restaurant in town here, and this truck. We're gonna try some monkey balls.
So this is pretty much deep fried sushi. It's pretty much like a salmon roll that's deep fried in tempura with some spicy mayo and then panko breadcrumb topping.
Tempura. Right.
Oh
Man,
let me tell you.
and those are so good. They're kind of, you get that cold fish inside, but it's hot and crispy on the outside.
Oh, it was amazing.
With that sweet sauce and crispy panko. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, checking out the video. If you liked it, let us know what you think. Whoa. I don't know what Pat's deal was there. But please like and subscribe, and to the next one, Bakes out. Oh yeah, the bees were terrible. Bring some spray. And some napkins. Bendy spoon, you know.
Mind blown.